Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Jen!
50.
Happy 50th birthday.
Don't forget the 50.
Thank you for the food. Pero pwede naman mag-double pa
Mag-
po.
Padala ulit.
Yeah, you may cake.
Happy birthday, Jen. Welcome to the golden years. I wish you more birthdays, more blessings, and good health. Ingat and have fun on your birthday.
Happy 50th birthday, Payat. Wishing you good health and happiness always. Enjoy your birthday. Okay, bye-bye.
Hi Tita Jang, it's your birthday. Not me. Not Hermione.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. And many more. We love you. Happy birthday.
Happy 50th birthday, Jenny.
We wish you happy birthday, good health, and many more birthdays sometimes.
Pasyal na kayo dito.
Wapen, we're waiting for you.
I used
Just give a happy birthday, Jenny.
AJ Rena, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Aro, pitututunan dyan, oh. Ay, so, sinabing na kayo ni 9 o'clock na day. Happy birthday, Jenny.
Happy birthday, Jenny.
Batch coming soon.
See you soon.
Enjoy.
How do they know your birthday? Oh, wait,
Bye-bye.
oh, that's
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Jen. Happy 50th birthday, Tita Jen.
Happy 50th birthday!
Love you. Love you.
Stop!
Happy birthday, Tita Jen, from Montalvo family.
Hi Dijang, happy birthday. I hope you're having the best day and I wish you all the wonderful things that makes you smile and I hope all the people around you will bring you joy and laughter on your special day and take care and have fun on your birthday and enjoy the rest of your party. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita. Happy birthday to you. Kiss. Kiss. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita.
Happy birthday, Jang. Happy 50th birthday to be exact. Welcome to the Golden Age Club. We wish you more birthdays to come and in good health. Tell Johnny, the kids, and your friends to do this more often. Not the surprise, but at the party. And wait for our gifts to be delivered by Amazon. A rocking chair and a walking cane. Again, happy birthday and we love you.
Happy birthday, Jeng. Like he said, welcome to the golden age. I hope you have a happy and a wonderful party. We miss you so much. We're looking forward to seeing you soon. Happy birthday. We love you. Mwah. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hello, Jeng, anak, ang mga bata, kamusta na? Happy birthday! Happy birthday in advance. At ilan taon ang aking anak? Hindi ko nakalimutan ko. Alam ko, 50 na eh. Si Kuya, 52 eh. Sumisimangot pa. No. Si Johnny. Kamusta na? Hindi ko siya nababati kahapon eh, kasi ang daming bumabati sa iyo eh. Ang daming bumabati. Sige, anak, thank you ha.